YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another sneaker review and unbagging. Both for unboxing and unbagging. So I don't know if anyone else is out there like me, but on Levi I hit for the blue pair and Levi canceled my order. So that happened to a lot of people. I heard, man, it was kind of disappointing because I was waiting for it to go ahead and ship out, and on that same day I ordered a jean jacket that was on sale. It's like 70% off. You got an extra 50% off once it hit the checkout. So I got this jean jacket for like $37. So the jean jacket came expeditiously, and then the next day they canceled my order. So shout out to Nike though for holding me down on a pair. Not the blue pair, but nevertheless it's a pair. So let's go ahead and open the jean jacket first. See how that looks. Cool, they got a double bag, plastic. That part. Cool. Here's how the jean jacket look. I already got the light color denim with the fur, but they had this black one with the gray fur on sale. So that's how it look. But as you can see, it got the fur on the collar. Got the Levi tag right there on the left chest. And it's kind of heavy too. It's heavier than my other jean jacket. I get, yeah, that's why. Hold on, let me go ahead and unbutton it because it's quilted. So this is a winter jacket. So fall, winter time jacket, because it's got the inliner inside as well. It's kind of heavy. So that's the jean jacket. So enough of that. Now I would try to get the black pair too, but took L's on those, and that's why I got the jean jacket, because I was confident I was going to be able to get the black pair on sneakers, but took an L. So enough of the jacket. Let's get to the kicks. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the kicks. I don't need no knife for this one. This is one of those pull tab joints. Cool. Get these up out of here. Cool. So here's the box. I like how the box looks. It's like a classic Levi box. Got the Levi sign right there with the Nike right there on the left hand side. On this side, you got Nike and Nike swoosh and Levi. On this side, the same thing, Nike swoosh with the Levi logo. And right here is the sizing tag. And here's the thing about Air Max 95s. The last time I had a pair of Air Max 95s was like, I think the infrareds a few years back. And I got a size 10 and a half. So they fit kind of big, so I went with a size 10, but I haven't had an Air Max 95 actually wearing on my feet since like the 90s. So since like 95. So we ready to see, I'm gonna go over sizing, tips and things of that nature. So we about to see how these gonna fit. Do get a flip lid. You do get this paper that has some history of Levi's on there with other writings and jargon. Open it up, and then there's the kicks. Pull them both out. They do come with an extra pair of spare red laces, which I'll probably go ahead and swap out. Let me see if there's anything else in the box. Yeah, you do get you should get a green sticker in your box. And I'll see a QR, what's this here on the upper? Okay, yeah, so, and it got like a little, I don't know if you can see that, but a little green QR sticker right there on the lid. So that's how your box should come. If you're trying to get these on the secondary market, make sure your box looks just like that. So enough of the box. Now let's take a look at the kicks. Okay. Yeah, I can tell these are well made too. Feel kind of sturdy. So here's how the kicks look. Again, we're gonna take an up close personal look. I'm gonna go ahead and take that lighting down because I don't know if it's kind of brightening everything out, but you can see it comes with the Levi tag right there. And yeah, the gum bottom is fire too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the Air Max 95 Levi's. This is the, matter of fact, I didn't read the sizing. Let me read the sizing tag here. It says Nike Air Max 95 OG, light or wood, brown, white, gem red. Okay, so that's what that color is, a light or wood brown. Okay, looks like a cream to me, but oh well. Size 10. So let's get into the light or wood brown, the Air Max 95 Levi collaboration. Now let's get into it real quick. Got the outsole, got that gum bottom outsole, that red hit right there. Nike. This one has Nike Air in the middle in white. Hopefully the light's not whitening it out. I did turn it down some, but you look at the upper of the shoe, well, midsole, white midsole. You got a combination of white and that light or brown on the upper. It does have that Levi's tag right there on the back heel, which I like that nice pop of red, and it's right below the Nike check. I just wish that they actually highlighted the check in red, maybe moving in the front of the shoe. You got that light or brown tongue. I wish they, where it says Air Max, that they highlighted that in red. Just give the shoe a little bit more pop, a little bit more red added to it. Medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. You got clear air units or clear air bubbles with, it looks like that sail, almost like that light over brown or sail air units in between. Bubble on the back. You got Nike Air on the back of the heel. Again, pop that in red, make the shoe pop a little bit more. Does come with shoe paper. Inside of the shoe, you have a red insole, and it's got that design, same designs that you've seen on that paper of the box. And it's got Levi's, and this is the right pair. Do get your size and tag and everything on the back of the tongue. And it comes with, these look like white laces to me, white rope laces. Standard in the shoe, but they do come with extra laces. It does come with this tag. It has Air Max on one side, and on the other side it has Levi with the Nike swoosh. Left shoe, same as the right shoe. Is some differences. One is the outsole, where the other one had Nike Air. This one has Levi's on the outsole in the middle right here in white. The tag, of course, and also this one in the inside has Nike with the red insole. So that's the two differences I've seen. Also, with this one doesn't come with a tag. Just has the Nike swoosh right there embedded in that white, in between that light over brown. And that's pretty much it, man. That's the differences. And they come with 2 pair of extra laces. You get this like white pair right here, and then you get a red pair. Now these laces are different from the laces that's in the shoe. The laces in the shoe are more of a smooth rope lace. These laces are more furry. It's like a furry rope lace. So I will be probably doing on foot with the laces that it come with, and also I'll switch out to the red lace just to give the shoe a little bit more pop, see how that looks. All right, so that's a review of the Air Max 95 Levi collaboration 2025 light over brown pair. Comment down below, tell me what you think about this pair. After seeing them in hand, I will say this pair is clean to me, man. And after seeing them in hand, the only thing I would say, I wish they had a little bit more pop of red in them. But other than that, this is definitely a clean pair. I wish I would have got the black pair and the blue pair. The blue pair is all right. I would rather have the black pair over the blue pair, to be honest with you. But I'm glad I was able to at least hit one for retail. So will I pay resale for the other two? I'm not sure. If that price come down, maybe. You know, I'm not the type of person to try to complete sets when, you know, the collection comes out. I just get the one that I like most, or the one I can hit on, but I liked all three, so I was just glad I got a pair. All right, before we end the video off, I do want to get into sizing, because like I said, this is my first time having a pair of Air Max 95s in years. So let's go ahead and get into the sizing real quick. All right, as far as sizing tip, I would say just go to your true to size you wear in Air Max 95s. If you don't know what you wear in Air Max 95s, go into the store and just try on a pair and then figure it out. But in my opinion, I would say go true to size. They fit me just perfect. I have just about enough of space right here in the toe. As you can see, my toe is like right here. So I do have space with this 10. I think if I'd have went up a half a size, 10.5 would have been way too big. Let's see. They fit perfect. So sizing recommendation, definitely go true to size in these. Let's get back into the review. All right, so that was the sizing. Hopefully that helped you out in trying to decide if you're getting this on the secondary market, the sizing, making sure you get your correct size. And with that being said, I appreciate all the support. Thank you for tuning in. If you watched this far in the video, I appreciate you. And we're gonna hop into this on feet. Into the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.